Computer total 50 bits. Who is known as father of computer? Charles Babbage. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Most commonly used input device is mouse. Brain of the computer is CPU. Smallest unit of data in computer, bit. Instructions given to computer are called program. Number of arrows keys on keyboard, 4. WW stands for World Wide Web. Keyboard is an example of input device. Number of functions keys in keyboard, 12. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Cache memory is known as fast access speed. Technology used in first generation computer. Vacuum tube. Number of keys on standard keyboard, 104. Shortcut key for new folder. New folder shortcut key, Control plus Shift plus N. How many generations of computer are there? 5. Shortcut key for permanent delete, Shift plus delete. Computers used in banks and railways are mainframe computers. Files and data are permanently stored in hard disk. Most common language used for web page designing, HTML. Common language used in Android application development, Java. Which of the following is a storage device? Hard disk. Which device is used to scan documents? Scanner. Which key is used to refresh computer screen? F5. Which company developed Windows? Microsoft. How many main parts are there in CPU? 2. How many main parts are there in CPU? 2. Fastest and most expensive computer, supercomputer. Second generation computers used transistor. Device used to connect computer with telephone line, modern. Which software controls computer hardware? System software. Which memory is temporary in nature? RAM. Shortcut key to paste text to text is Control paste. Control plus V. Full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. Which device prints documents on paper? Which device prints documents on paper? Printer. Which storage device is portable? Pen drive. Which unit is used to measure computer processing speed? Hertz. Which key is used to start a new line? Enter. Full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. Which key combination is used to select all text? Control A. The main circuit board of computer is called motherboard. Full form of LAN is local area network. LAN is shortcut key to save a file is Control S. Which device is used for video calling? Webcam. Shortcut key to undo an action is Control Z. Which generation of computer used vacuum tubes first? Which memory stores frequently used data? Cache. Which shortcut locks computer from virus antivirus? Which port connects keyboard? USB. What is the Hindi name of the computer? Sangnak. First supercomputer was developed in 1976.